Ooh, I have some pepper stir fry from Dollar Tree. TJ Farm Select. That one doesn't look that good, but hey, all in all, I have something that's amazing. Found this at an Asian store. Vitasia Thai coconut milk. This is not coconut milk. This is coconut cream. This had the highest fat. Look, I had it in the fridge. This is thicker than Heinz 57. It still hasn't come out. Is that amazing or what? All right. Definitely my go-to coconut cream. Look how thick that is. We found that is like heavenly butter. That looks like 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon for every bag. It's time to walk it up. This is for my vegetarian playlist, because you could take this and make it, set it aside, use it all week long on all kinds of stuff. So wait for it. Oh yeah, those bags, I defrosted them and then I squeezed all the juice out of them, so that's why they look like this. That one was still a little frozen. Go figure. All right, wait for it. Well, been a good 15 minutes. Everything's no longer frozen, wet, but as you can see, there's still a lot of moisture. The large ones, we're going to break it up, so wait for it. It's around 10 minutes, and most of the moisture is gone. Save that gas. Look at that. So I'm under a half hour. I've broken up most of the big onions and peppers. Steam is clouding my lens. Alright, it's about to be caramelization time. Definitely within 10 minutes, caramelization is about to take place, so wait for it. Another 15 minutes and caramelization is starting to take place. Shut the gas. You start smelling it. Look at that. Amazing, right? We're good to go, but I want to take it to the next level, so wait for it. And this is why Dollar Tree loves me. Look at that. That is amazing. All right, shut the fire. That was 4 ounces, or 4 teaspoons, whatever you want to. There's another 4. This is amazing. Bring out the can one more time. Coconut milk? I don't think so. Coconut cream. That is amazing. This is definitely going on my vegetarian channel. Trying to fix my bottle. Wow. Love it. Hold on. Wait a second. Bam. Dollar Tree. I have been cooking your product for an hour. For my vegetarian playlist. I try to do it once a week. Sometimes twice. But there you go. First time anyone has done it, and it's on my channel. Love you.